Good morning, class. Yes, let me take the register first before we begin our lesson. Kelsey Chelangat, are you present? Lavender Chebet, Mercy Chepkorir, Gladys Chesang. I see that all of you are in. So, who is going to remind us what we spoke about last lesson? Yes, tell us. So during our last lesson, we discussed about C++. We introduced the programming language, and we saw that C++ is a high programming language. It's an object-oriented programming language also, which gives a clear structure to programming and allows code to be reused, lowering development costs. So that is the advantage of C++. C++ is also portable and can be used to develop applications that can be adapted to multiple platforms. We also saw the structure of C++, and we said C++ is divided into three main parts. That is the header, that's the name of the program. Then the declaration part, that's where the data types are going to be declared. Then the last part is the body part, where the initialization of the code is going to take place. So I believe everyone understood about the topic, and also I believe you went to do your own research to learn more. So in our today's lesson, we are going to learn about arrays. Who can tell us what an array is? Objectives of our topic today: to learn about array, explore how to declare and manipulate data into arrays, understand the meaning of array index out of bounds, become familiar with restrictions on array processing. So, we have two kinds of multidimensional array. There are two basic ways of implementing two-dimensional array: true two-dimensional array and arrays of arrays. Some languages uses one method, some another, and some both. But C++ allows both methods, and each has its advantages and disadvantages. Two kinds of multidimensional array. True array. In this case, the rows are laid out sequentially in memory. This provides simplicity in memory management and a slight speed advantage. This is the kind of array C and C++ creates by default. The second one is arrays of arrays. In this style, each element of one dimensional array is a pointer to another array. It's a common way to create an array of C strings. The disadvantage is that memory management can be a little more complex and there is a slight performance overhead. So we are going to look at the syntax of multidimensional array as shown in our board. That's the syntax. An array declaration of the form shown define one indexed variable for each combination of array indexes. For instance, the second of the sample declaration defines the following 6 index variables for the arrays. Multidimensional array parameters. When a multidimensional array parameters is given in a function, heading or function declaration, the size of the first dimension is not given, but the remaining dimension size must be given in square brackets. Since the first dimension size is not given, we usually need an addition parameters of type int and give the size of this first dimension. Below is an example of function declaration in a two-dimension array parameters as shown in our board. Hope you have gone through the program and understood well. If you have any question, kindly ask. Is there anyone with a question? I hope everyone have understood about the multidimensional arrays parameters and all that it contains. So, the assignment of the arrays I'm going to give you for you to do during the weekend is write a program that stores array 20, 40, 60, 70, and 80 in array name Ogilge. During our next lesson, I'm going to check the work, and that will be our Cat 1 exams. So, the lesson has been very good. You have participated well in my class. Congratulations. I wish you a nice weekend as we part. Thank you.